welcome to our channel. Today we are in Eugene, Oregon, just outside the Valley River Center Mall. We are going to go to Blue Mist, a Thai restaurant. So let's go in and have some dinner.
Saying goodbye to gluten does not mean saying goodbye to great food and great taste.
So please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel.
As soon as you walk in, you see a nice, vibrant decor and very clean restaurant. And as you can see by the menu, that gluten-free vegan foods are definitely clearly marked. We are going to be starting with some grilled prawns for an appetizer.
They're nicely grilled.
Give it a little peanut sauce.
That's good. That's really good.
I'm going to try the cucumber salad. Or cucumber pasta look like. Pretty good. Normally I like my cucumbers with just salt, but it's nice and sweet. Go ahead and pull this baby off. That's pretty good. Mm-hmm. Generally, when I get grilled shrimp from restaurants, they're usually tough and way overcooked. But this one, they're tender and they're literally perfectly cooked. That's a nice satay sauce or peanut sauce.
Yeah.
Almost as good as mine.
Almost. I got yellow curry. This is, when we go to a Thai restaurant, this is my favorite thing to get. So what this is yellow curry with in a coconut stew. Yellow curry and coconut milk. It has potatoes, leeks, carrots, which are me, and then it has green and red bell pepper and some chicken.
Which we do have a video so you can make it on how you can learn how to make it.
Oh my gosh, that is so good. That is really, really good. And then they serve with rice. This is a blend of white and red rice. So yay for me. Greg won't like it.
Do you mix yours or do you just eat the rice straight?
I actually am going to break apart. I don't like to mix mine. I like to be able to taste the varying flavors. So I'll break apart some of the rice and then put some of the curry.
And see me, I just pour mine right on top of that baby.
Okay, that's leeks.
Leeks are good for you and they taste
I was
good.
just making sure they didn't hide something weird in it. Potato is perfectly cooked.
Okay, I got the sweet and sour chicken. Of course, it's going to have some carrots, going to have onion. They got celery or bell pepper, pineapple, of course. Some really nice glazed chicken.
Looks beautiful.
It's on top of a bed of rice. And a couple of green onions or shallots.
Those are not shallots, they're scallions.
Scallions, sorry. I meant to say scallions. Okay, we're going to go ahead and try this without burning my mouth. That sweet and sour sauce is really good. Mm-hmm. It's not like a cloying kind at all.
Yeah.
Everything, like the chicken is actually grilled instead of cooked inside the pan. This is good. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and go to that restaurant and tell them Goodbye Gluten sent you, and we hope you have a wonderful day.